Hi, welcome to Hixson Autoplex. My name is John Marquez. We're coming to you today because we're going to talk about the new 2019 Toyota Avalon XLE. I wanted to go over some of the basic safety features that we have on this here vehicle. And some of the safety features that we have, it comes with blind spot monitoring, which is going to be integrated here into your side mirrors. So when a vehicle comes into your blind spot, your side mirror is going to blink on whichever side of the vehicle that the vehicle is coming into contact with you at. You'll also notice right up here in the front windshield is a camera. This camera does several different things. This vehicle has radar dynamic cruise control, which means this camera will follow the vehicle that's in front of you. It will determine that vehicle's rate of speed. So when you have your cruise control set, say you're going along on the highway on 49 and you have your cruise control set to 70 miles an hour. This camera will determine the vehicle in front of you is only traveling at 65 miles an hour. It will slow you down automatically to match the speed of the vehicle in front of you. When that vehicle moves out of the way or you move out of the way, it will resume the speed that you had set before. You no longer have to tap your brake or hit the decel button. It does it all for you automatically. It also has pre-collision detection system with pedestrian collision detection. So it also looks for objects in front of you when going at low speeds. And it will attempt to apply the brakes for you at low speeds if it determines that a collision is imminent or if it thinks that you're not going to hit your brake in enough time. So that's another great safety feature that's sometimes important to a lot of people. The other thing that it does, it will also read the headlights of oncoming traffic for automatic high beams. And it has the automatic high beams here, and if it determines that a vehicle is coming in front of you, it will know to automatically turn off the high beams so you're not blinding the vehicle coming at you. So there's a lot of the great safety features that are integrated into the new XLE Avalon. They come standard on all trim levels, not just the XLE. So whether you get the XLE or whether you get a base model Avalon, the safety features are going to always be the same. Toyota prides itself on its safety features. It's one of the great things about Toyota. Another great thing about Toyota, it comes with all Toyota vehicles, whether it's a car, truck, or SUV, is you get the first 2 years of 25,000 miles, or all your scheduled maintenance is free. Thank you, and please come see us here at Hixson Autoplex in Leesville. And remember, if you pick it out, we'll work it out.